losing all control like losing all control like. Oh, let's get fucked.